हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम लोग यूनिट नंबर 3 वर्डप्रेस के बारे में जानेंगे। वर्डप्रेस is an open source software with the help of which you can create your own websites, your own blog. So let us first understand what we are going to cover in today's lecture. So here is the outline and the topics which we are going to cover throughout this session. Initially, we will try to learn what is WordPress, and then we are going to see that which are the world's renowned organizations who are using the WordPress. Third, we are going to study that why WordPress is there. What is the use of WordPress? And after that, we are going to see that how we can install and set up WordPress. And after that, there are some options with which we can customize our WordPress. So let us start. First, I need to tell you what is WordPress. So students, WordPress is an open source software. Open source means that the code is freely available and you can get that code for the changes also. It is free of cost. There is no downloadable cost of WordPress because it is open source. It is also a blogging platform. With the help of WordPress, you can create your own blogs with great themes and great backgrounds. It is also a content management system. So guys, content management system is a software with the help of which the contents can be easily created, managed, edited. And it is very easy to learn. Easy to learn because it is having some wizards. Through the help of wizards, you can easily create your work with a great ease. Now I will show you some pictures that who are the world's biggest organizations which are using WordPress. Name of the few. BBC America. This is using the WordPress for its website. Bloomberg Professional Services. It is providing the information, connectivity, and opportunity. This is also using WordPress. Sony Music, Microsoft News, Walt Disney Company. These are few big names which are using, these are the organizations which are using WordPress for their work. Now, why WordPress? WordPress is easy to navigate. Easy to navigate means you can navigate from one page to another page. You can navigate from one information source to another information source very easily. There are some built-in search engines. Means this software is already providing you some built-in facility of search engines to be included in your website. And thousands of plugins. Plugins are the extensions, means the plugins decides the functionality of your website. So there are thousands of plugins you can use in your website for enhancing the functionality of your website. There are thousands of pre-made themes, means you need not to make a theme for your website. There are already created theme. There are pre-made themes. You can directly use those themes for your website. And tons of inline documentation and help. So there are various documents available for using the WordPress and for your help. Now we will see how to install WordPress onto your computer system which is having Windows. So today I'm going to show you the installation of WordPress with the help of wamp server. So guys, in the second and first unit, we have already seen how to install wamp server. So this is step 1 we have already completed. And now I will show you that there is wamp server in my system. And you need to start the service of wamp server. Now you will see here the sign of wamp server. It is a green sign. It means the services are running. So step 1 we have already completed, that we have installed WAMP server and that we already know how to install the WAMP server on the computer. Now, second thing is we need to set up the WordPress. So for that, what you need to do, you need to download the WordPress from the standard website, and after that, once you download, you will get a zip file. Zip file you have to unzip, and that zip file is called WordPress. I'm going to show you. This is the WordPress. So I have extracted that WordPress folder zip file here in the C drive, but you need to copy it. You need to copy in the wamp64 folder. wamp64 folder has been created when you install the WAMP server. So what I need to do, I need to copy and paste it in the wamp64 folder. Here is www folder, www. So you need to paste this WordPress extracted folder to this www folder. So here you can see I have pasted this WordPress folder here in the www. Now what you need to do, you need to create one database named WordPress in our WAMP server. So I'll click on WAMP. Here is the green sign for WAMP server. I'll go to PHP myadmin. Now there is no password and you need to choose the database. So I'm choosing MySQL. Username is by default root and password is nothing. So I'm logging in. So here you will see the dashboard and here you need to create one database. So go to the databases, create database. Go to create database and database I'm creating named WordPress. WordPress. And here you have to select UT8 MB4 general. Here is UT8, UTF8 MB4 general CI. This I will select and then create. So one database has been created. Now what you need to do is to install that WordPress, because right now I have copied the folder, I have extracted the folder but not installed. So what I need to do, I need to install it. So then I will go to my Internet Explorer and run localhost / WordPress. And then it will ask for the language. So select the language English, continue. And after that it will ask for a title. So give any title for your WordPress. I'm giving is my WordPress. My WordPress. And then password you can select, because this password is being used. Username you have to give. I'm giving that Preeti is my username and I'm giving some password. You can give your own password. Yes, weak password will do. Email address you need to give. So I'm giving my email address. And then install the WordPress. Soon it will going to install. So the username is Preeti and password whatever password you have chosen. And with the help of that you can log in. So username was Preeti. Your password and then log in. So by that way you will reach to your dashboard. So we will see in the next lectures that how to do some work on the WordPress. But right now we have installed WordPress on our systems. So here you can use WordPress after that. So this was all about for today's lecture. And once you will install the WordPress onto your system, then we will start working on WordPress in our next series of videos. Thank you very much for today.